Taking care of your teeth properly starts with using the right tools, and an electric toothbrush can make a huge difference compared to a manual one. With better plaque removal, built-in timers, and smarter brushing technology, it helps you get a deeper and more consistent clean every day. In this video, I tested 3 of the most popular electric toothbrushes to see which ones really deliver in terms of performance, comfort, and value for money. Each model has its own strengths, whether you are looking for power, extra features, or the best deal overall. In the third, I tested the Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush, and it is clearly a solid choice if you want to upgrade your daily oral care routine without overcomplicating things. From the first use, you can feel the difference compared to a manual toothbrush, especially thanks to the advanced sonic technology that delivers a much deeper and more effective clean along the gum line. During my test, what stood out the most is how gentle yet powerful it feels. The built-in pressure sensor is a great feature because it automatically alerts you if you are brushing too hard, which helps protect your gums over time. It is something you do not always think about, but it makes a real difference for long-term dental health. I also like the 2 intensity settings, which allow you to adjust the brushing experience depending on your preference. Whether you want a softer clean or something a bit more thorough, it adapts easily. The Smart Timer and Quad Pacer features are also very useful, guiding you to brush for the full 2 minutes and making sure you cover every area of your mouth evenly. Another strong point during my test is the battery life. It can last up to around 2 weeks on a single charge, which is perfect if you travel or simply do not want to recharge it constantly. The design is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use every day without effort. Cleaning performance is where it really shines. The C2 Optimal Plaque Brush Head helps remove significantly more plaque than a manual toothbrush, leaving your teeth feeling noticeably cleaner and smoother after each use. Overall, after testing it, the Philips Sonicare is a reliable and efficient electric toothbrush that combines simplicity, smart features, and strong cleaning performance. If you want a straightforward upgrade for better oral hygiene without going for a high-end model, this one is definitely a great option. Secondly, I tested the Aquasonic electric toothbrush, and it honestly feels like a premium product at a very affordable price. From the first use, the power is immediately noticeable with its 40,000 vibrations per minute, delivering a deep and effective clean that leaves your teeth feeling smooth and polished. During my test, what really stood out is the variety of cleaning modes. With 4 different modes available, you can easily switch between standard cleaning, whitening, gum care, or a softer mode depending on your needs. It gives a more personalized experience compared to basic electric toothbrushes. Another big advantage is everything included in the package. You get 8 brush heads and a travel case, which adds a lot of value and makes it perfect for long-term use without needing to buy replacements anytime soon. The wireless charging is also very convenient and gives it a more modern feel compared to standard chargers. In terms of performance, it cleans very efficiently and reaches areas that are harder to access with a manual toothbrush. The Smart Timer helps you brush evenly, making sure you respect the recommended brushing time without thinking about it. The design is sleek, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, which makes it easy to use every day. It also feels durable and well-built, especially considering the price range. Overall, after testing it, the Aquasonic stands out as a powerful and feature-packed electric toothbrush that offers excellent value for money. If you want strong performance, multiple modes, and a complete kit without spending too much, this one is definitely a great choice. And to finish, first of all, I tested the Oral-B Pro electric toothbrush, and it stands out as a very reliable and straightforward option for anyone looking for an effective clean without unnecessary features. From the first use, you can clearly feel the difference thanks to its dentist-inspired round brush head, which surrounds each tooth and provides a deeper clean compared to a regular manual toothbrush. During my test, what impressed me the most is how efficient it is at removing plaque, especially along the gum line. The brushing action feels precise and powerful, making your teeth feel noticeably cleaner after each use. It focuses on doing one thing very well, which is delivering a strong and consistent cleaning performance. I also appreciated the built-in pressure sensor. If you brush too hard, the toothbrush automatically reduces the pulsations, which helps protect your gums without you having to think about it. It is a simple but very useful feature for maintaining good brushing habits over time. The timer is another practical addition. It alerts you every 30 seconds to change areas and ensures you brush for the full 2 minutes recommended by dentists. This makes it easier to build a proper routine and cover all parts of your mouth evenly. In terms of design, it is simple, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it comfortable for everyday use. It does not try to add too many modes or complex settings, which actually makes it more accessible and quick to use. Overall, after testing it, the Oral-B Pro is a solid and efficient electric toothbrush that focuses on performance and simplicity. If you want a dependable toothbrush that cleans very well and keeps things easy to use, this one is definitely a great choice. To conclude this top 3 electric toothbrushes I tested, each one offers a different experience depending on what you are looking for, whether it is simplicity, advanced features, or the best value for money. If you want a straightforward and reliable clean, one of these models will easily fit into your daily routine and help you improve your oral hygiene without overthinking it. From powerful cleaning performance to smart features like timers and pressure sensors, they all bring something useful to the table. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.